Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. I'm going to do a few of these short trips, mostly talking about rider experiences more than driver experiences. The rideshare world is inundated with negativity these days. I get 1,500 emails, all complaining that nobody's making any money. Well, if that was the case, why are 7.5 million people driving around the globe? Up from 5 million last year. Then this is just on the Uber platform, right? So the gig economy is exploding. Obviously, there are some reasons for that, and everybody has their own reasons why they drive. But macroeconomic conditions, obviously, and inflation definitely is hurting a lot of people's pockets, and they're out there trying to make ends meet. However, this is a positive side of rideshare, okay? And I'm on Twitter. I scour Twitter once in a while, and I find these tweets. This happens to be from Brian Norgard, and he truly appreciated his driver's effort. He says, as you guys will see in the background, his tweet, he says his driver works 4 to 9 a.m. shift, right, and then goes to his regular 9 to 5, and then works on the weekends, overtime, or does Ubering as well. And when he asked the driver why he's working so hard, he says, I'm paying for my kids' college tuition by driving Uber. So there you go. There is a positive side of rideshare. And when the rider asked him why, and he says, I hope your children will appreciate your efforts. And the driver nonchalantly responded, it doesn't matter. This is my calling. This is what I have to do as a father. See, there are positive things that are going on with rideshare. There are a lot of people who are putting food on the table. There are a lot of people who are putting a roof on their heads. And there are a lot of people like this amazing driver who are putting their kids through college. So it's not all bad, people. I know I get inundated with negative emails, but it is not all bad. We have to mention the good and the bad. We have to keep a balanced mindset. So with that said, please join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern for Show Me the Money. We'll have some amazing guests coming up, and you make sure you are safe out there.